class and today we'll do symmetry, reflection symmetry. A figure which is identical on both sides of line in it said to be symmetrical, and the line about which the figure is symmetrical is known as the line of symmetry. Symmetry is an important geometrical concept commonly seen in the nature, artificial things. For centuries, symmetry has remained the subject that has fascinated philosophers, astronomers, mathematicians, architects, etc. Even today, we use symmetry in everything. When planning our building, furniture, etc., we always want ki symmetry rahe. Like here you can see the symmetry in Taj Mahal. This line that divide the Taj Mahal into two identical halves. One part is totally same as the other part. So this line is known as the line of symmetry. There is an imaginary line. Some symmetrical object that we use in our daily life, here you can see these objects are symmetrical along this line. The line segments is symmetrical about the perpendicular bisector. जो line segment होता है वो अपने perpendicular bisector के around symmetrical होता है. An equilateral triangle, three line of symmetry. The perpendicular bisector of each side of the line, that is symmetry. AD, BE and CF are the three line of symmetry. So in equilateral triangle, three line of symmetry. Isosceles triangle has only one line of symmetry, perpendicular bisector of the base. PS is the line of symmetry. Scalene triangle has no line of symmetry. A square has four line of symmetry. All sides are equal, so perpendicular bisector of opposite sides along the diagonal. EG, HF, AC and BD are the four line of symmetry. Rectangle has two line of symmetry because in rectangle opposite sides are equal, so perpendicular bisector of opposite sides, that is the line of symmetry. MN and AB are the line of symmetry. A circle has the infinite line of symmetry. In circle you can see infinite line of symmetry. Some English alphabets are also symmetrical. Here you can see this alphabet A have vertical line of symmetry, B horizontal, C horizontal, D horizontal, E horizontal, H have both vertical and horizontal line of symmetry. I have horizontal and vertical both line of symmetry. M have vertical line of symmetry. Similarly, some other letters are also symmetrical. Some letters which are not symmetrical like F, G, J and L, they have no symmetry. Next is evolution time 9.1. Draw the line of symmetry for the following figures. So in the given figure, this like this, you can draw the line of symmetry. Clear? Next, draw the line of symmetry for the following English alphabet if possible. So in letter T, you can see this is the vertical line of symmetry. Clear? Next, match the following. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle have three line of symmetry. So like this, you have to match. Clear? Next, reflection and symmetry. The term line of symmetry is often referred to as reflection symmetry. Why? Because the concept of symmetry is very close to the concept of reflection. When we see our face or any object in mirror, what we'll get? We will get identical image. जब कभी भी हम mirror में अपनी image देखते हैं या किसी भी object की image देखेंगे तो हम देखेंगे कि बिल्कुल same image बनती है. The object in this image are symmetrical with reference to the mirror. Here the mirror is acting as a line of symmetry. Everything is same in the image as an object such as height, length, सब same होगा. Only one character take place. जो left है वो right दिखेगा and right क्या हो जाएगा? Left. Next is evolution time 9.2. Reflect the following shape in the mirror line and draw the image. So other half हमें draw करना है. It will look exactly same like this. Clear? Next, reflect the following English alphabet in the mirror line and draw the image. So अगर हम इसको देखेंगे, it will look same. Clear? Next is look back. A figure which is identical in both sides of the line, it is said to be symmetrical, and the line about which the figure is symmetrical, that is known as the line of symmetry. Symmetry is commonly seen in flower, birds, animal, building, etc. नेचर में आप बहुत सारी चीज़ों में symmetry देख सकते हो, animals में देख सकते हो, उनके pattern में देख सकते हो. The equilateral triangle has three line of symmetry, and isosceles triangle has one line of symmetry. The square has the four line of symmetry, the rectangle has two line of symmetry, the circle has infinite number of line of symmetry. The line of symmetry is very close related to mirror reflection. Next is let's recall. Practice all the question given here. These are for your practice. Next is mental zone. A line segment is symmetrical about this perpendicular bisector. Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. An isosceles triangle has only one line of symmetry, so A is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope chapter आप सबको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया. Now to practice it.